tanan, babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Atinkeni online retail store. So actually, Atinkeni, for those of you who don't understand, well, sa Tagalog, it means meron dito. Yon. So Atinkeni means meron dito sa Tagalog. So if you check out their fan page, they are actually selling a lot of stuff. So I saw some spray scents, gourmet food in a jar. I think they have accessories and apparels, mga ganyan. So yeah, if you're interested to know more about the products that they sell, make sure to check out their fan page. It's Atinkeni online retail store. Now, one of their products is yung kanilang mga premium coffee. So let me name yung mga variants ng mga coffee nila. So starting off with the Kalinga Dark, they also have Benguet Blend, meron din silang Barako, Liberica, meron ding Robusta, meron ding Sagada Arabica Dark, Vanilla, Butterscotch, Cinnamon, Hazelnut, and Caramel. For 100 grams, it starts with 175 pesos only. For the 250 grams, it starts with 175 pesos only. But for more information about the menu, we're gonna be flashing it on your screens right now. Ayan, so if you're like me, guys, I'm actually a coffee guy, you know? Because of my work, I usually stay during the night, and what keeps me awake actually are coffees, of course. So dito sa mga coffee nila, available din yung mga drip bags na katulad nito. So what you do is you open it. Ayan, meron naman siyang mga guides dito on how you tear yung paper guide natin, and then you put it in a cup. It's up to you guys if you want it dark coffee, if you want it as plain as is, or you can add milk and sugar. Ayan, so you can also use yung mga ganitong, since they are already grounded. Ayan, you can also use these mga ganitong press glass or press jars, no? Based on your preference, you can add milk and sugar. Ayan, so I actually prefer, actually nag-iiba-iba. Sometimes I like the, what do you call this, dark coffee. Sometimes I also like yung milk with sugar. For a rainy afternoon such as this, no, a gloomy afternoon, ang pinakamasarap dyan, guys, is nag-enjoy tayo with a cup of coffee, a hot or warm cup of coffee with your family, or reading a book, or probably watching a movie. Some other cases, since nagtatrabaho nga ako tuwing gabi, I use these kinds of flasks. Mas tumatagal kasi yung init nito. Importante sa enjoyment is of course yung lasa and flavor ng mga coffee natin. So again, they have a lot of flavors or variants for the coffee. Make sure to, you know, check them out. And again, we'd like to thank Atinkeni PH or Atinkeni online retail store for sending us coffee for this vlog. Actually, guys, selling nila for this coffee is for a cost, no? Let me just read this one. So we are having a coffee for a cost for the owner's father, no? Her father had a laryngeal cancer. They have come up with this coffee for a cost. They are selling premium coffee beans. These are mostly from the north, no? Sagada and Benguet. So the funds that they're gonna be raising here will be used for the medication, and let's support each other. If you want to, you know, donate monetary, we're gonna be flashing also the details. But if you just want to enjoy coffee, guys, these are available sa Atinkeni PH. So make sure to contact them, and yeah, let's enjoy a cup of coffee with our loved ones. Guys, thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. See ya!